this question. 120 students are attending a live online class. 100 of them do not have a webcam, whereas 80 of them do not have a microphone. So let's observe carefully. 120 students are there, and it is given 100 of them do not have a webcam. So out of 120, 100 do not have webcam. So these students, 100 students are there who do not have webcams. So I can say these 20 students have webcam, these 20 or the other 20s have webcam. So let's just make two Venn diagrams for this. Is the reason for the student who have webcams, that are 20, because it is given 100 of them do not have a webcam. So the 20 left have webcam, and 80 of them do not have a microphone. Out of 120, it is given 80 do not have a microphone. So the 40 left have microphone. So these are the students having microphone, and these are 40 students. These are 40 students. This is my Venn diagram. Now it is given if only 20 of them have both a webcam and a microphone. So this is the reason of students having both webcams and mic, and it is given me as 20 students are there which have both webcams and mic. Now how many attendees have a microphone but no webcam? I need to find the value of this reason. How many attendees have a microphone but no webcam? So no webcam is this reason. When I subtract this reason from this total, I get only mic, this reason. So I need to find the number of students fall in this reason. So I need to find number of students falling in this reason. Now students who has webcam are 20, and students having both mic and webcams are 20. So I can say there are 0 students or no student is there who have only webcam. No student is there who has webcam. Now total 40 students are there who have mic, and out of these 40, 20 students are there who have webcams and mic also. So I can say 40 minus 20. These 20 students are there who have only mic, because total of the mic is 40. Total students having mic is 40. But out of those 40, 20 are there who have webcam also. So 20 left would be having only mic. So correct answer to this question, that how many attendees have a microphone but no webcam, that is, I am subtracting this reason out of 40 to get my answer, that is 20. So correct answer is option C.